Is it a bad thing that I wanna know how it feels to hold you in my arms? Because every time you look in my eyes, we can begin our day after some. Ooh, na, na, ooh.
Hi guys, good afternoon guys, or good morning. Welcome to 2022. Happy New Year guys. This year is going to be exceptional for all of us. All of us, you watching this video, it's going to be exceptional for you by the grace of God. So if you're new here, my name is Cleopatra and my vlog is about family, lifestyle, a bit of fashion, and just everything in between. Please guys, if you've been watching me and you have not subscribed, please subscribe now. And if you're new here, join the gang. Click on the subscribe button now. If you like my videos, thumbs up for me, drop a comment below and just show your support guys. It's a new year. If you're gonna support me, subscribe right now. Thank you. In another news, we are going to Abuja. Titi, excited? You are? So we've been postponing this trip since last year. So now we're finally doing it. Going to see my sister and her family, and we are excited. Titi, are you excited? Echo. Hold on. Are you excited? Are you excited? Jay? Excited much? Okay guys, let's go pack. I feel like the biggest traveling mistake parents make when traveling with their toddlers, when flying with their toddlers, is being unprepared. I'm saying this from experience, right? So I'm just doing this brief explanation to show you useful, tried and true items that you need in your carry-on bag while traveling. There are 3 things you should consider: lots to entertain your little one, essentials to keep them fed, and essentials to keep them clean. Once you have these 3 things down, you are good to go, right? So if you're preparing or planning to fly with your toddler, you should really keep watching. The first thing on my list is wet wipes. I mean, with COVID-19 and all, it's very okay these days to be a germaphobe. If you're going to use the tray, always wipe down as soon as you board. Like me personally, I know that Jay will always touch stuffs, no matter how hard I try to avoid it. So wet wipes are my holy grail, sort of. Yeah. Something else you should never leave is your diapers. You need lots of it actually, especially in cases of flight delays or flight cancellation. You need diapers, lots of it. You might need to change. Something else you need, either a tablet or a smartphone. These kids, when they get cranky, they just lose it. So if you're going to keep them, behaved and all of that, you need something to keep them entertained, something to keep them busy. So another thing you're going to need is personally I always carry tray when we're traveling, when I'm traveling with Jay, because he's had this since he was a baby. It's soft to handle and he likes it. So you can carry maybe your baby's favorite toy or a stuffed animal. Yeah. You need snacks and you need a sippy cup for your water, and you need an empty bottle that you can refill, and then you need extra clothes, you need ziplocs. My goodness, I cannot overemphasize the need for ziploc bags. These things are a lifesaver. You're going to need them. And then just have a big ass bag. This is what I'm carrying because I feel like it's going to like contain everything that I need to carry. And since I'm going to be carrying Jay, I just need a big bag that just, you know, contains everything I need, and I won't need to carry something else. So I'm just carrying this and Jay, so I'm not like, you know, stressing myself too much. So basically that's it. I hope this really helps, right? Is there any essential that you have tried and has worked out for you and I failed to mention it in my video? Please let me know in the comments.
And I keep living out of my head. Just forgive me for my silence. 'Cause I was Butterflies are floating like your red hair in the breeze. Spring awakening, new love takes me into lilac dreams. Lay beside me, whisper softly your sweet empathy. Crisp reflections on the water of you close to me. Someone I rely on, you make me feel real. Summer days that drift away as we lay in the field. In the light.
Hi Gigi. So we're here now, and yeah, I've been here once before I had JJ, so now I'm really excited that I'm here with him, so he gets to experience maybe not so much fun since he doesn't even really know what's going on, but I mean a bit of fun. So yeah.
You are someone I rely on. You make me feel summer days that drift away as we lay in the field. Dandelions everywhere, darling, make a wish. I close my eyes as I make mine, and we slowly kiss. Like ivy crawling up the wall, we need to feel the sun. 'Cause we've grown cold from contact glows, falling out of love. And maybe I've ignored the sun. Maybe you tried too many times to tell me you're done just getting by. Can we fall back to place Can we find another way? And maybe honestly, in another
Cannot really go on many rides because somebody has to, like, chaperone. And so I'm just like taking pictures around and not really riding. JJ's too small, nobody to help me hold him. But I think we still had fun. JJ, didn't we? Didn't we? Look at him. He's a bit cranky now. So this is the one that decided to buy. Yeah. Okay, so go in. I'm able to take because of Jay sleeping now. I just decided to get on this one just to feel like a child. I'm here with my niece. Erica, say hi. Hi. It's so beautiful up here. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Oh my God.
I love you and I will never forget you. And all those things you have brought for me are too much. Thank you. God will bless you for me. I'm glad to see you. I love everybody of my family.
Okay, guys, I'm back home now. Oh my God, I thought it would be nice to do like a quick review on Magic Land. It was really nice to see the kids play so much. Jay didn't want me carrying him. He was just running about. They had loads of fun and I had fun too. I mean, you could tell from the video, right? Anyways, I remember when I was trying to like find out where to go, and I had been there before, so I was looking for like another suggestion, but that was the first name that popped up with good reasons, because the place is really nice to hang out with kids. It's affordable too. We paid like 500 naira per person to get into the place, and I remember I didn't pay for Jay because it was just slightly above a year old, so it was free for him. And the rides cost about 500 naira to 800 naira per ride. The ink art, we paid 1000 naira each, and that was like the lowest price because we're going for like really simpler design, so we don't spend so much time trying to get the artwork done, right? So you can actually just pay to get in and maybe not do any ride, just picnic with friends and your kids. Really nice place. I loved it. I enjoyed it. It was good vibes with my niece and my nephew and my sister. We really had fun. We've come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please guys, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you liked this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.